In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get lucky spins in Blue Lock Rivals Roblox in this year. Accessing lucky spins in-game starts with your daily login and quest routines. By logging in every day and completing quests, you slowly build up both regular spins and the rarer lucky spins. The PT system helps too. Each time you use lucky spins without landing a mythic or legendary, your PT counter increases. That's after about 50 spins, you are guaranteed to hit a mythic or legendary pull. It's a slow but consistent and costs nothing. Beyond gameplay, the real boost comes from promo codes shared by the developers. You can input them in the lobby under the codes tab. For example, the codes like this: Nalreo, Master of All Trades, and King Overhaul. Each grant 7 lucky style spins plus 7 lucky flow spins as of July 2025. Consistently redeeming this is the fastest free route to stock up. During special in-game events like world-class character releases, seasonal updates, or anniversary celebrations, lucky spins often appear in rewards pools. Events like the SA World-Class Update or Nail Isagi Corona have frequently included spins as prizes. Finally, if you are okay spending Robux, you can outright purchase lucky spins in the store. A single spin costs 199 Robux, a pack of 5 is 499 Robux, and 20 spins are 1599 Robux. It's the most direct way to boost your spin count, so your wallet will notice that. So the best free ways to get lucky spins are logging in daily, completing quests, participating in events, redeeming active codes, and letting your character stand in AFK world. If you don't mind spending Robux, you can also buy them directly in packs. Between all these, you can steadily rack up lucky spins and improve your chances at mythic or world class pulls. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.